What you eating, guys? What you eating? Joaquin, what do you have there? Oh, did you want Eva's? Are you gonna give Eva the red one? Can you give Eva the red? Oh, you give Eva the blue one? No. How's it taste? Oh! Where'd they go? Oh, there's the red one. Oh, don't trip him, Eva. Don't trip him. He's not very steady on his feet. Here, Evie. You take this. Eva. You can have that. Oh, thank you, Joaquin. Thank you, Joaquin. Thank you, Joaquin. Oh. You want that one? You want that one instead? Can we give this one to Eva? There you go, Evie. And I've lost interest in the baby. But this is cool.